Enhancing communication between policymakers and faith actors to address gender-based violence. Gender-based violence, or GBV, is a complex global issue. Addressing it effectively requires everyone to work together. In this video, we'll explore the roles that policymakers and faith actors play in this effort. Faith actors contribute to shaping values and social norms. Policymakers play a key role in shaping laws to protect people from harm. Both are powerful voices, but often they don't talk to each other. That slows progress. Policies become out of touch with local realities, implementation suffers, impact shrinks, mistrust grows, resources are wasted, and most importantly, survivors are left without sufficient support. This silence also creates space for anti-rights voices who misuse religion to justify violence or restrict women's rights, and that undermines the very policies meant to protect people. But when policy and faith come together and hold each other accountable, transformative change becomes possible. Intentional dialogue opens space for diverse voices to be heard, including feminist and gender-sensitive interpretations of religion. This helps create laws grounded in local realities and programs that respect human rights. Collaboration builds stronger survivor support systems, connecting faith-based care with health and legal services. In many countries, such partnerships have helped end harmful practices such as child marriage or FGM, and have reduced violence, drawing on shared values to inspire lasting change. So, how can we strengthen this vital communication? Governance should establish regular meetings with faith groups, GBV survivors, and women's rights activists. Joint trainings can help faith leaders and policymakers learn from each other about laws, gender-sensitive religious teachings, and effective GBV prevention. For policymakers, it's crucial to reflect on their own biases and understand the local cultural and religious significance of terms related to GBV. And they should acknowledge the positive role many faith actors already play in addressing GBV and supporting survivors. Engaging local activists, researchers, and GBV survivors helps ensure that policies reflect lived realities and are communicated and implemented more effectively. Policymakers may struggle to respond when religion is used to oppose reforms, feeling they lack the legitimacy to speak with faith actors about issues framed in religious terms. But meaningful, fact-based dialogue doesn't rely on religious texts alone. It can also draw on lived experience, shared values, public health evidence, and legal frameworks to build common ground and move conversations forward. Faith actors, on the other hand, can strengthen advocacy by grounding it in local realities, starting at the community level, using local data and lived experiences, and offering practical solutions. Building alliances is also key. Engaging religious leaders committed to gender equality and partnering with other activists, faith groups, NGOs, and government departments to present a unified front. In short, ending GBV requires meaningful, sustained communication between faith actors and policymakers. By working together, they can better support survivors and build safer communities. Lasting change takes time. Long-term dialogue is key. Let's commit to meaningful dialogue for a future where everyone can live free from violence and with dignity. Learn more in the video description.